Yeah, with this beautiful Cooker King 8-inch non-stick hybrid frying pan, which I got from the seller to show you, I've finally found my perfect, and I would say really absolutely perfect frying pan. And of course, I will tell you exactly why I think it's the perfect pan for me here during this video. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. Here inside we have this very beautiful snowflake design with the non-stick coating underneath and a little bit elevated stainless steel pattern, which makes it super robust, so we can use also some metal stuff here and it's not scratching the non-stick surface. But of course, at the same time, we have to be aware of that it's not 100% non-stick right from the beginning without using any oil. That's just not possible. It's exactly same thing as with the original Snow Clad or HexClad. There's no difference here. But we have one big advantage here. Again, I will talk about that later. And so it's a beautiful design, super solid handle, and it's so solid built that you can even clean it in your dishwasher or put it into your oven. And of course, with this advanced 3-ply construction, which we have here, we can use it pretty much on all cooking tops like gas, induction, normal electric, and of course also the ceramic, which we have here and even more. And everything came pre-assembled already, so you don't have to do anything, no assembly needed. So you can just take it out of the box, give it a nice clean, and then you can use it right away. Of course, some people recommend to pre-season, but you can also use it the first time with just a decent amount of oil, not too high heat, of course, like always. Also very important here for me and my family is that it has none of these unwanted stuff here inside, no PFOA, no PFAS or other stuff which you really don't want to have in your pan these days. And of course we have this very advanced 3-ply construction for even heat distribution. And so now it has heated up nicely, and so I put a little bit of oil here, nicely distributing that. I think we have some decent heat now. And so I can try with this egg to fry it here. Absolutely amazing. Starts already nicely cooking, frying, turning down the heat here a little bit, but looks already absolutely amazing. By the way, of course, not only easy to cook, but also very easy to clean after that. And so the test here to see if it's sticking or not. And you can see it's nicely lifting up already, but I leave it like that for a moment. But you can see I can really use such metal items, absolutely no problem. Don't have to fear that I'm scratching the non-stick surface. And so you can see I can easily move around the egg, and that's really my first attempt here. There's no trick, no nothing. I can even grab it here fully and flip it around. Absolutely no problem. And watch this nice color here. Has been cooking absolutely perfect. Usually not flipping the eggs, but just wanted to show you that here. And so I think we are finished now with the egg. So let's see, we can easily slide it around. Watch this thing, can easily just slide it here into this plate. Absolutely wonderful. And there's no residue here inside. Also super easy to clean. Could pretty much just wipe it out. Yeah, so I'm super happy with it, but of course you are right, I'm not finished here. I promised to reveal why this is my absolute favorite frying pan, and this is because when we turn it around here, you can see there's no HexClad, no Snow Clad pattern underneath. And so especially when we are using it here on the ceramic cooking top here, which is quite robust, but we can still scratch it with stainless steel, especially when we are using this pretty harsh Snow Clad HexClad pattern underneath. But here we have just this stainless steel underneath, which I absolutely love. And we still have a perfect flat pan. You can see when I move this here, it's absolutely not moving at all, perfectly straight, even without this Snow Clad, HexClad pattern underneath. And so when I move it around, I don't have to fear that I'm scratching my beautiful ceramic cooking top. And so I'm super happy that with Cooker King, finally a manufacturer has realized that we only need this advanced pattern on top and not underneath, because it's just a disadvantage. Yeah, absolutely love it.